everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY, I'm going to use this piece of decor that I found at Dollar Tree. I really like the designs on this, so I might come back and use this in another DIY as well. But there's the SKU, and I'll leave it in the description as well. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and remove these staples. Remove the string and the staples. So now I'm going to take this outside and spray paint the outside silver and part of the inside as well. You'll see when I come back. Okay guys, so this is what we have. Next up, I have some of these Dollar Tree mirrors. So I'm going to use 3 of these, and I've already removed the feet off the 3. So I'm going to take some of my Gorilla Glue along with some hot glue and glue them in place. So now I'm going to take some mirror towels, 3 rows, and put them in those open spaces. And I'm going to extra secure them with some more of my Gorilla Glue. I have 2 of these Dollar Tree napkin rings, and I'm going to glue them right, one here and one here. Again, I use some more of my Gorilla Glue along with some hot glue. Go in right on the inside and add some hot glue. I let this sit for a few hours, and now I'm ready to move on to the next step. Off camera, I went ahead and added some mirror towel around here. Now I do it on this side as well. And I'm using 2 rows of the mirror towel. Now because I did paint the silver, I'm going to add the glue to make sure that it stays. Now this part you really won't see on the inside, so I don't think I need to add any mirror towel to this. I'm going to put this aside for just a second. I'll come back to this. I'm actually not done with this, but I'm going to put it aside in a minute. But before I do that, I'm going to take one of these Dollar Tree mats and see exactly where I need to cut it. Okay, I'm going to put this aside, and now I'm going to cut the mat. Okay, so now that I have that cut, I'm going to take some more of my frosted window film and put it on top of my mat. Lift it up if you need to and get all the air bubbles out. Okay, so now we are ready to glue this on. Now, if you want this more frostier, if you want more of a deeper design, then do 2 layers of the film. Now I use my Gorilla Glue and my hot glue to glue this in place. Now do the same thing on this side. So now this is what we have. And the thing that I like about this, I like that you can see the lines on the inside from the napkin rings. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some mirror towel to the side. And again, it's going to take 2 rows. I'm going to add some more Gorilla Glue. We have mirror here and on each side, but we don't have mirror here. And the reason that I didn't put mirror there is because I'm going to decorate the top. I'm going to use 6 of these Dollar Tree blocks, and I've already spray painted them silver, and I'm going to glue them to the top of my wall spinner. And now I'll put some weight on top. Now I'll let the glue set up and come back. Okay guys, I'm back and off camera. I went ahead and put mirror towel on top of my tower blocks and on the side. And right here, where the mirror didn't touch the edge, I went ahead and put some of the diamond bling on the sides as well. Okay, so that's where we are. Again, I'll be using some of my Dollar Tree DIY chandelier pendants. This is the set that I'm using. Again, I'll link this below so you can watch that tutorial. In order to hang these, initially I would just clamp these on the inside and maybe put hot glue, but I'm gonna go ahead and add a bead to this as well, and that's gonna make it easier for it to hang. So I have my UV resin, I have my clear bead, and you can use the square beads too if you can find them. And I have my UV lamp right here. Now I just need to figure out where exactly I want to hang my pendants. I want to hang one right here in the center. Now I add a little bit more resin, UV resin to it to make the hold stronger. Okay, and this is what we have. Now I'll put one on each side and then in the back. Okay guys, so I have my beads in place. Again, do this ahead of time. Okay, I like the lines from the napkin ring showing, and I want to accent them even more. So I'm going to go over those lines with some of this diamond bling. So now I need to put some trim across here and here. Okay guys, so I'm back. Let's just go over everything that I've done. This is what we have. That's the top. Here's the front. Again, right here where the mirrors didn't touch the edge, I lined it with some more of the diamond bling. I did that on the top as well. I have 3 rows here, 2 here, 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 and then 3 rows here. Then on the sides I have my mirror towel. Underneath I have my 5 beads to hang my chandelier pendants. So I'll go ahead and put these in place. But the next thing I'm going to do is glue on a sawtooth hook on the back so I can hang it. Use this tape to help hold it in place. Now I'll add some hot glue. Now because this is raised slightly, I'm going to use a couple of these on the bottom to make it even. Okay, now I can remove the tape. And now I add a little bit more hot glue. Now as far as lighting, I found these lights at Dollar Tree as well in the $3 and $5 section. I guess I should just say in the Dollar Tree Plus section. And it comes with a remote. So you can turn it on or off. You can set it for 30 minutes. You can control how light or bright it is. So yeah. And the way I will insert these is right inside the napkin ring holder. This one I will angle downward, and then the other one will go downward as well. Okay guys, so I decided to add some butterflies to my wall sconce. I found these on Amazon.com and I'll link them below. You get 2 packets like this. And they come flat, but you have to bend them. There's like a little line that you bend them on. So off camera, I went ahead and used some tape to tape them in place before I glued them down. So I'm going to use some Gorilla Glue and some hot glue to glue it in place. So I have one like this that I've already bent. I'm going to remove this one and put it in its place. Okay, so now I have my butterflies in place. I'll take it, hang it on the wall, light it up, and let you guys see what it looks like. And here's my completed wall sconce. And it's hard to believe that I created this using mostly Dollar Tree products. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. And the butterflies took it to a whole new level. And off camera, I hot glued some rhinestones onto the body of the butterflies to make them more decorative and 3-dimensional. Comment below if you like it with or without the butterflies. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.